Hello, dear students. Now we study about difference between distance and displacement. Difference between distance and displacement. Distance and displacement. Difference between distance and displacement. What is the first difference? Between both. What is the first difference? First difference, very easy. Distance is the scalar quantity, have no any direction. It is a scalar quantity, have no any direction. But displacement is a vector quantity. It is vector quantity, have direction. What is the direction of displacement? From initial point to final point. The direction of displacement is initial point to final point. Second example. Second difference. What is the second difference? Distance is the length of actual path traveled by the object. Length of this path. It is the distance. Distance of this actual path. What is distance? Distance is the length of this actual path covered by the object. Measure it all. Take a string and measure it all. This is distance. Distance is equal to the length of the actual path traveled by the object in given time. And displacement is the shortest length. This is from initial to final point. This is displacement. Only this is displacement, not total. It is the shortest length, minimum distance from initial point to final point. Displacement is the shortest distance from initial point to final point. And displacement is this. Path length. It is displaced distance. It is depend on the shape of the path. Distance is depend on the shape of the path. Distance is depend on the shape of the path, but displacement is not depend on the shape of the path. Let's say it is final point, it is initial point, it is final point. Displacement is this, not this. Displacement is also this, not this. Displacement is not depend on the shape of the path. You can take any shape to travel. You can take any shape to travel, but displacement is distance of this initial to final shortest. Always. This is not depend on. Always displacement is this, not depend on the length of the path. Understood? And fourth, what is distance? I am going from A to B. I am going from A to B. This is distance and this is displacement. This is displacement. This is distance. If I am going from this path, I am going from this path A, C, B, then distance is greater than the displacement. Yes. When I am going A to B, I am going A to B from C, A, C, B. From this path, I am going A to B. So, this is displacement, this is distance. So, distance is greater than to displacement. And maybe if I am going from this path, then distance is equal to displacement. If I am going from this path, then distance is also this and displacement is also this. Okay, so distance is maybe greater than to displacement or distance is equal to displacement. When I am in straight line motion, then distance is equal to displacement. When not straight line motion, so displacement is greater than displacement. Okay, understood? And displacement may be equal to distance. Displacement may be equal to distance, but displacement may be less than to distance. See here, displacement is smaller than to distance. Both possible. Now, I am moving from A and go and come once again at A. I am starting my motion from A. Starting my motion from A. Starting my motion from A and reached at A. So what is displacement? What is displacement? I am starting my motion from A and reached also at A. So the distance between initial and final point is what? 0. I am starting from A and reached also at A. So my distance between both final and initial, starting and last, is 0. But distance is not 0. Distance is total path. This is total distance. Not is equal to 0. Distance is not 0. Distance is total path. But displacement is 0. I am starting from A and also reached at A. So distance is 0. Displacement is 0. So what? It is not necessary. It is not necessary that displacement will be 0 when, it is not necessary that distance will be 0 when displacement 0. Displacement is 0. Here, start from this and also reach at this. Displacement is 0, but distance is not 0. Distance is total covered path. So it is not always necessary. It is not necessary that distance also 0 when displacement 0. Distance is not 0, displacement is 0. And next, what is? I am starting my motion from A, and not go to anywhere. I am also standing here, not move. No, I am standing here at point A. So distance is 0. No, distance is 0. Displacement also 0. So displacement of an object is 0 when distance is 0. When distance is 0, not covered any path, then displacement is also 0. Understood? Next, distance always will be positive or 0. Distance always will be positive or 0. Whenever you travel, you covered some distance, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter. Whenever you travel, you covered some distance, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter. That is positive. And when you not travel, your distance is 0. So distance will be positive or 0. But displacement, when you go A to B, let's see. When you go A to B, displacement is 5 meter plus 5 meter plus 5 meter. When you come B to C, come back 3 meter. So this is minus 3 meter. This direction is plus, so this direction is minus. And if you come once again at A, so displacement is 0. When you go A to B, 5 meter, come back B to C, 3 meter. So this is plus, then this is minus. When you come at A, go A to B and once again come at A. So initial point is A and final point is A. So displacement is 0. So displacement will be positive, negative or 0. This is all the difference between the distance and displacement. We will meet in next video. Goodbye.